Afternoon, everyone. Sorry this is late. It's certainly been a long, stressful week, as I'm sure you all are faced with a lot of these same issues. But my biggest question in looking ahead is where will I make the most impact in my career? I've struggled the past 6 years since being in more of a teacher support role instead of a classroom. I often wonder, did I make the right move? Will I serve students better back in the classroom? While pursuing school administration add-on licensure and already serving as a pseudo AP, I'm fortunate to have the professional development opportunity through all of my coursework. The truth is, there is so much a school administrator is responsible for. Just last week, my principal was out for 3 days and I was the only admin on duty. Between the parent calls, complaints, the discipline issues that arose, and all of the teacher issues, I was completely exhausted. My family is young, I have a 1 year old and a 5 year old at home, and I've always tried to set boundaries on what I bring home. I still have much soul searching in regards to what my next steps will be. I also need to continue to reflect on where I feel the most positive impacts are made in the lives of students. Another question I tend to go back to is, I know I can do this type of work, but do I want to? I think so many teachers possess amazing leadership qualities to become building level administrators, but feel like those jobs bring more burdens and extra stress and pressure. It does not seem like there is much support for principals, especially here in my school district. In reflecting on the limitations of a building level administrator, I tie this to Standard 7, micro political leadership. What happens when you have great ideas and a desire to be that agent for change, but it is not received by the current staff? What happens when hard decisions need to be made, but you don't possess the autonomy within your school building to do so? For example, power struggles with superintendents or Board of Education members. I've seen many outstanding leaders essentially run off due to the political nature of these positions. Overall, our profession is not an easy one to navigate, especially once you leave the classroom. As I continue down the path of add-on licensure, I will reflect, soul search, and pray for my next chapter in this profession.